In this video, I will share the definitive technique to make that woman miss you. A common question that arises is, how long should I wait to send a message to a woman after the first date? If you also have this question about the ideal time to send a message or whether to take your time to respond to her, what you are truly aiming for is to make that woman like you more and start missing you, becoming more attracted to you. The ultimate goal is this, and the crucial question here is that the time you take to send that message after the first date will not make a significant difference. Exactly, the time you take to send the message after the first date represents only a small fraction, between 5% to 10%, of the sense of conquest that this woman will experience and the connection she will develop for you. The real 90%, which will effectively determine whether this woman will miss you or not, is related to how you act in this encounter, the emotions you evoke in her, and how you handle the entire interaction. Therefore, the main focus should not be on how long you take to send the message but on the quality of the experience you provide during the encounter. While you are together, eye contact is crucial. The woman will be evaluating who you are at that moment. During a date or an initial conversation, she can experience three distinct types of emotions regarding you. As she gets to know you, she can feel if you are someone with low energy, bringing down the atmosphere and leaving her emotions neutral and stable, without significant positive or negative impacts. On the other hand, if you uplift her and raise the energy, bringing joy, you become a positive source of emotions. However, there is a risk of lowering the energy if you are a negative and needy man, constantly complaining about life, the environment, and showing a pessimistic view. There is an interesting analogy with characters from Harry Potter, beings that suck the life energy out of people. Some men act in the same way, casting a load of negativity on life, the world, and women, which generates a negative emotion. This is the first type of emotion a woman can experience, and clearly, it is not a feeling that attracts her. The second type is when you become a source of neutral emotions. In this case, you do not provoke any specific type of emotion, in fact, you do not arouse any particular feeling. This often happens when you have a cold personality, unable to connect, entertain, or deepen the interaction. If your approach boils down to standardized conversations, with a certain seriousness and obvious questions, you do not create any emotion in the woman. For her, the encounter becomes indifferent, without generating a significant emotional impact. It can be easily forgotten, and she could be doing anything else, like watching Netflix or talking to a parrot, as it made no difference. And there is the third type of emotion that you can arouse in a woman when you become a source of positive emotions. In this case, it is as if you were a sun radiating light. You can bring lightness, making her feel involved and special by your side. She laughs, wants to know more about you, and wants to continue in that dynamic more and more. This happens because you bring a vibrant energy, as if she were going for a common conversation and suddenly you create a surprising impact. This is possible mainly when you are overflowing with such positive energy, feeling good and secure being authentic, with little concern about what she will think of you. When you are having fun, getting to know the woman better, delving into what you want, and honing your social skills, you enter a positive vibration. In this harmony, you overflow with positive energy by talking about projects and ideas, avoiding negative topics related to people. Your elevated energy makes you like a sun, illuminating that woman. The key point here is that, by being a source of pleasure for the woman, she will be eager to receive your message after the first date. No matter how long you take to send the message, what truly matters are the emotions you cultivated during the encounter. If the concern is about the timing of the message, you are approaching the situation with the wrong strategy. Remember to focus on the good moments during the encounter. That's it, folks. This was today's video. A big hug and see you soon.